Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add line breaks in Mailchimp. Whether you're crafting a newsletter or setting up an email campaign, knowing how to control spacing and breaks in your content is essential for creating clean, professional-looking emails that are easy to read. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com, then press Enter. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. Enter your Mailchimp credentials to access your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your campaigns and email designs. After signing in, locate the campaign section on the left side menu. This is your central hub for managing all your email campaigns. From here, open the campaign you want to edit by clicking on the campaign name in your dashboard. This will take you into the campaign overview where you can make changes to your email content. Next, click on Edit Design to access the email template editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to format your email exactly how you want it. The editor will open up, showing you the full layout of your email with all its content blocks. In the content area, choose the specific place where you want to insert the line break and click to position your cursor there. Precision here matters because it determines exactly where your spacing will appear. If you're using the standard text block, simply place the cursor at the exact spot where you want the line break to occur. Now here's the key step. Type Shift plus Enter to insert a line break without starting a new paragraph. This keyboard shortcut is crucial because it gives you a soft break rather than creating a whole new paragraph with extra spacing. It's perfect for keeping your content tight and organized. However, if you notice that Shift plus Enter is adding extra padding or creating a large gap that you don't want, you have another option. Switch to a code block and insert a line break using a simple HTML tag instead. To do this, place the cursor where you want the break, then type the HTML break tag and save. This gives you more precise control over the spacing. If you're looking for a more visual break in your content, you can use a divider block. Simply drag the divider block from the right-hand content blocks panel into the desired spot in your email. Once it's placed, you can customize it by removing any extra left or right padding in the block settings if needed. This creates a clean visual separation between sections. Before you finalize anything, it's important to preview your work. Click on Preview or Preview and Test to ensure the line break looks correct across different devices. This step is crucial because emails can display differently on desktop versus mobile, and you want to make sure your formatting holds up everywhere. And there you have it, you've successfully added line breaks to your Mailchimp campaign, giving you full control over how your content is spaced and presented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.